Today's a very, very special day. We think the new K7s have just arrived. We've got a big delivery truck, as you can see here. So we think these are the brand new K7s. What we'll do, as soon as these are in, we'll start filming, unboxing them and have a closer look at what we've got. So yeah, big day today, big day. It's the 27th of March at 11:23 AM in the morning, and the new AGV K7s have arrived. So we're going to do a bit of an unboxing and have a look at what we've been sent. Okay, so let's start with this one. So this is the Mono Grey, which is what we've had lent to us by AGV to do some testing with. So what do we get? We've got the usual kind of packaging to keep the helmet safe in transit. Pin lock included in the box. Let's see what else we've got in here. There we go, brand new AGV K7. Got a little pack with the chin curtain in it as well. Look at that. What a good looking lid that is. Now I've only really, obviously the one we've been lent is this colour, so I'm intrigued to see how good these black, white versions might be. But yeah, first impressions. I do love the styling of these, I do. Okay, so let's put that on the shelf. Let's see if we've got any other colours. So are these going to be all the Mono Greys? No, we've got another one here. So this is the Mono White. With all the AGVs, you get plenty of these little gel packs to make sure they stay dry when they're in transit and when they're in storage. Let's look at that. Mono white. And what's nice about this, the vent surrounds are all white on this one. All matching in, so round here. It looks really smart. Okay, let's see what else we've got. What's this? A Taurax. So a Taurax black red. Now that is cool. What size is this one? Medium. Might have my name written all over that. Okay, let's see what else we've got. Okay, let's have a look at this one. So this is the Mono Matte Black. Now I think this will look quite cool because those vent surrounds, as they were on the grey, are like a matte black. So I think the vents will, a bit like the white, will kind of blend in a bit better with the shell. Oh, that is nice. Take that packing out of there. I think that might be the best one yet, actually. That in matte black looks really cool. I love how the back of the spoiler here under here is a gloss black as well, which contrasts a little bit with this. What a cool looking lid that is. So that is the 4 colours that we've got in at the moment that we've unboxed. So we've got the matte black, the white, the grey, and then this grey, red, black graphic. Obviously that's going to expand. There's more coming to the country. We're going to get more colours and sizes through, but I think we've got a full size range in those 4. So if you're interested in them, make sure you pop down to the shop. If you used to have something like the K5, so this helmet down here, this was basically the AGV's old composite flip down internal visor helmet. So this is now that replacement for that old K5. This is that helmet. So if you had one of them and you liked it and you're looking for something to replace it with, come and have a look at these K7s. And to be honest, these look incredible. Okay, so that is the new K7 now in stock. It's available at all 3 of our MyMoto, so MyMoto Derbyshire, MyMoto Leeds, and obviously here in Manchester. If you can't get to one of our shops, visit our website. So we've got 2 websites, mymoto-uk.com or dstoremanchester.co.uk. You'll see the K7s on there as well. What we're going to do now is unbox the rest of these, check through them, make sure we've got a size range out. So if you want to come and have a look at them, have a closer look, we can show you through the features, try one on, and hopefully it's the helmet for you. Thank you for watching. Until next time, ride safe.